On December 13th last year, the governor, Pro-Fubara, sent the 2024 budget to the State House of Assembly for approval, following a decamping of some members to the APC from the PDP and a state high court ruling recognizing about 5 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. They had a session presided over by Honorable Edison Ehe. During that sitting, they passed the state's 2024 budget. The document was then passed to the governor, who assented to the 2024 budget. The Federal High Court in Abuja, and presided over by Justice James Omotosho, has now nullified the said budget of 800 billion naira. While nullifying the budget, Justice Omotosho also declared that the governor or members of staff of the Rivers State Public Service are not entitled to take steps aimed at interfering with the affairs of the Rivers State House of Assembly in the performance of their duties. The judge prohibited the governor from withholding funds due to state lawmakers and issued a restraint against the National Assembly, preventing them from considering any request from the governor. Justice Omotosho noted that Ehe, who claimed to have resigned from the Rivers State Assembly, lacked legal standing in the case as he was no longer the speaker or a member. The judge also found it perplexing that the governor destroyed the assembly building and presented the budget to only 4 lawmakers, declaring the presentation as void. An order was granted to halt the demolition, and all actions of the governor with the lawmakers were declared null and void.
The court equally stated clearly that all acts done by the governor, the 11 defendants, the Attorney General and Rivers State government, while this suit was pending, and after he had made an order on the 30th day of November 2023, were a nullity, including proceedings wherein the governor had purported to have presented to 4 members of the House led by Edison, Honorable Edison, appropriation bill.
The ruling of the Federal High Court in Abuja has drawn reactions from some stakeholders in Rivers State.
The arguments adduced by the Federal High Court judge are sound in law. They are sound. But I'm almost going to advocate that common sense should be included as one of the sources of law.
The good thing about the judgment is that this is the court of first instance. Because it's court of first instance, the Rivers State governor have right of appeal. But coming home, I felt that when a peace process is in place, that all parties should pursue that peace to a logical conclusion.
Meanwhile, another resident of Rivers State sees the lawsuit as a betrayal of the ongoing peace agreement.
Part of the process, the governor said it. The governor has also the right to represent this here. Part of the sacrifice for peace has been done in all these cases, and went further to resign as member of the Rivers State Assembly. That has shown that the governor wants peace. So for us, I don't know what is really happening. I was thinking that they should also withdraw their matter in court.
What is left to be seen is if the Rivers State government will appeal the judgment. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.